Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 11th of July, 2025, our system has identified Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.72. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 3.13%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.04% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a broad and declining trend in a short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $18.38 would initially indicate a slower rate of decline, potentially signaling the beginning of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 31.81% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from -39.84% to -30.14%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of -12.38%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary widely, ranging from a loss of 66.76% to a gain of 128.86% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $5.96 and $41.06. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Red Day on Tuesday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock after losing 1.86%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock price fell by 1.86% on the last day, Tuesday, the 15th of July, 2025, dropping from $18.28 to $17.94. It has now declined for 5 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.57% with a low of $17.93 and a high of $18.57. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 0.55% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 138,000 shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 5 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $87,230,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price is 67.19% or $36.74 below the 52-week high and 77.40% or $61.44 below the all-time high on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price reached $79.38. Recent developments surrounding Trump Media and Technology Group, ticker DJT, highlight a mix of potential opportunities and challenges that could influence its stock price. The company is forging ahead with plans to launch a cryptocurrency exchange-traded fund centered around major digital assets like Bitcoin, Ether, and Solana. This initiative, viewed as an expansion into the growing crypto market, could enhance investor sentiment towards DJT, especially as corporate interest in digital assets increases. The appeal of the exchange-traded fund may drive short-term increases in stock value as retail investors engage with its innovative offerings. In addition to the exchange-traded fund, DJT is benefiting from significant retail interest and unique political dynamics, creating favorable conditions for potential rallies despite existing market volatility. High short interest could lead to a short squeeze if catalysts such as exchange-traded fund approval or favorable movements in the cryptocurrency market come to fruition, adding to stock volatility. While the market experienced a setback for DJT in June, recent upward momentum could suggest positive market adjustments. However, looming economic factors, such as the announced 30% tariffs on imports from the European Union and Mexico, could pose risks, potentially affecting broader market sentiment and DJT's commercial operations. In summary, DJT's short-term prospects hinge on the success of its cryptocurrency initiatives and the inherent risks from global economic policies. Long-term performance will depend on sustaining investor interest and navigating the intricate landscape of digital asset regulation and market competition. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is categorized as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also deemed strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell designation. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 27, 2025, and so far it has risen by 3.1%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been identified. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence near-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $18.67 and $19.63. A breakout above any of these levels will produce buy signals. Yesterday, volume increased even as prices fell, which could serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 32 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 35 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 107 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 102 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $17.89. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 640 cents between its high and low, or 3.57%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.26%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $18.67. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $17.89. If this support level remains intact, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On 2025-06-10, Swider Eric conducted an insider sell of 8,500 shares of common stock, par value 0.001 per share. On 2025-05-14, Swider Eric conducted an insider sell of 3,000 shares of common stock, par value 0.001 per share. On 2025-05-14, Johann Philipp conducted an insider sell of 7,567 shares of common stock, par value 0.001 per share. On 2025-05-14, Johann Philipp conducted an insider sell of 416 shares of common stock, par value 0.001 per share. On 2025-05-14, Johann Philipp conducted an insider sell of 3,674 shares of common stock, par value 0.001 per share. Based on the 69 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 19.669. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,945,948 shares in the last 69 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation exhibits several negative signals and is currently navigating a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of July, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by approximately 0.0207 and commence trading at $18.15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.